Hello, thank you for joining. My name is Bill Morrow, also known as the .com Grandad. And the reason is I'm fairly long in the tooth, and I've also spent many years, over 22 years, learning and perfecting internet marketing. But over the last weekend, I have spent some terrific times learning and confirming items all about internet marketing with my friend and mentor. And this is one of the things. Shakir Hussain is the man who will help you and help me. He is helping me. So the purpose of this video and the next 100 videos, because the project I have in mind is to actually take 100 days with a video on each day, and would you believe it's all free? Yes, that dreaded word again, free. But in this case, there'll be no selling. All I'm giving you is the information that I have learned over the period of my working with internet marketing and gaining all that information over the intensive weekend that I spent with Shakir and his mentors. Now, the story is that it's going to take all those people out there who, like me at some stage or other, going through all my businesses and everything else, there was frustration. You're frustrated with the business itself. You don't know where to go. You don't know what to do. Everything is sticking or not sticking together, wherever it might be. There are problems everywhere you look. So this whole series is to try and guide you through the system, which I have done, and in doing so have come to a situation where I am very financially wealthy. Well, I shouldn't really say that, because money isn't the main feature of anything. And the purpose of me doing this, giving you this free instruction thing and that, is to not make money from you. It's to give you the inspiration so that you can follow what I have done without following into too many holes and too many problems. So that's it. So the whole series will be known as Frustration and Freedom. Frustration to Freedom. So it'll be indicated as F2F. Frustration to Freedom. And each one of the videos will have a number on it. So it'll be F2F1 will be this one. And in that way it allows you, and what I will do at times is to refer you back to a particular item, a particular video, so that you can refresh your mind about what went on. Now, over the period we'll be doing this, I will be giving all the information out, and you in return will be able to make comments so that I can get a feedback of what's going on, or what do you particularly want. But I will help you in this region only, that is in the business area, so that this is the area where I have the expertise. I don't want to solve any marital problems or anything like that. That's not my expertise area. So from that point of view, follow these daily videos so that you can get the information and build up your confidence, your knowledge with what I have got, so that you can then start and succeed in what you're doing. Now, the whole idea is the business will be free, and at the end, or near the end, I own a booklet or a book which is now called Frustration to Freedom, would you believe? Very strange, isn't it? Now that means that you will get a free copy of this book, so all the information will be condensed down so that you've got what you need to succeed. Whether you follow what I'm doing is entirely up to you, but this is the object. I have now succeeded with the help of others, and the one thing that you should know by now is you cannot do much on your own. You fall into the pitfalls and everything else that goes along with it, but by doing this you'll have the advantage of being able to get the correct information and take action. This is the whole point of it. Now, during the process, I will have other people joining me so that we can give you further confidence and so forth in the ongoing progress. But the target is 100 days, 100 videos, so you can benefit from my progress, my journey, and everything that went with it. So look forward to hearing from you, and also to see people following this success story, because I tell you, that's exactly what it is. It's a success story. The finish, there is no finish, because I'm going on and on and on. And my objective is not to make a massive amount of money, but I will do that. But my objective is to help people such as yourself who are in this trap of overcomplicating things, making mistakes and everything else, and letting pressure build up on you. Pressure which in fact you feel like jumping out the window. Well, not if it's too high, don't do that, because someone's got to scrape it up. So here's your opportunity. Follow this, follow me, follow my success story for the next 100 days, and then you will have a chance. You can break off during the process, but mainly this will be your chance to succeed, to get what you're after. Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.